One of the great advantages of being a digital nomad is to be able to work from anywhere. Did you know that Portugal has an attractive program for remote workers? One of Portugal's most popular visas is the D7, also known as the retiree visa. But after all, who is this program for? If you are dreaming of living in one of the world's safest and most beautiful countries, Portugal is calling. Okay, we know the thought of hiring expensive lawyers for your visa can be daunting. That's why we're here to introduce you to a smarter, more affordable way, our D-Visa DIY package. With our comprehensive guide, you'll have all the tools to apply for your D-Visa on your own. No hidden fees, no unnecessary costs, just straightforward expert knowledge at your fingertips. We've simplified every step of the process, from gathering the right documents to submitting your application. You'll feel confident and in control of your journey to Portugal. Join the hundreds who've successfully moved to Portugal using our DIY D-Visa guide. Why pay for what you can do yourself? Here is what you will get in the solution. Application guideline, how to choose the right visa for you, visa benefits and requirements, process flow and timeline, document checklist, official forms required by the consulate, templates and coaching videos explaining step by step. Our skip fees, apply directly, save big. Your DIY visa made simple. Portugal awaits. So, do you think you qualify for a D visa? Contact us for more information.